Here are the top mechanical keyboards you need in 2024. Mechanical keyboards are more than just tools, they're experiences. We've gathered the best of 2024, from budget-friendly to premium builds. First up, the Keychron 5.1. It features Gateron G Pro switches, known for smooth keystrokes and durability. Affordable, reliable, and perfect for beginners. It also has hot swappable switches for easy customization. For something fancier, check out the Keychron Q1 Max with a CNC machined aluminum chassis and Gateron Phantom switches. Sturdy aluminum chassis, built-in volume knob, and customizable RGB lighting. Plus, it's wireless with Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz USB dongle. Whether you're gaming, coding, or typing out your magnum opus, there's a mechanical keyboard for you. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your typing game today. Hit like and subscribe for more tech tips.